Hi guys, here's a bit of my process in making future sports. With my Lenovo Yoga Pro 7 and its OLED PureSight Pro display, everything ran smooth and easy with my AMD Ryzen AI 300 series processor. There was a lot of experimenting to test VO3 and to brainstorm wacky sports ideas. So directing AI videos is a lot of dialogue with ChatGPT and adding notes as you go until you get the perfect shot. Generate in VO3 and check out the results. Fun! It's very involved to go from this to this, which was all smooth and fun with my Lenovo Yoga Pro 7 Premium Suite. Thanks for watching, friends.